Imagine for a moment a secret that almost no doctor, no personal trainer, and certainly no multi-million-dollar supplement company wants you to know. It's a powerful truth that could fundamentally change how you approach your health after a certain age. The stark reality is this: as soon as you gracefully cross the threshold of 75 years old, your body undergoes a profound shift, losing a staggering 35% of its inherent ability to efficiently absorb protein from the very foods you rely on, like chicken, eggs, or even popular whey supplements. You might continue to eat the same amount of protein you did in your vibrant 40s, diligently striving to maintain strength, yet your muscles receive only a fraction of its benefit. This often unspoken metabolic change is precisely why so many seniors find themselves consistently losing strength and vitality, despite their best efforts to consume what they believe is an adequate amount of protein. However, the story takes an unbelievable turn. A dedicated global research team, intensely focused on understanding muscle preservation in older adults, stumbled upon a discovery so unexpected, so counterintuitive, that every single member of the panel was compelled to recheck their data not once, but twice, in sheer disbelief. What they uncovered was revolutionary. A small, almost forgotten collection of ancient seeds, some incredibly affordable at less than $1, delivered muscle-building amino acids up to a phenomenal 500 times more effectively than traditional whey protein in individuals over the age of 75. This wasn't because these humble seeds contained more protein, but rather due to a unique biological mechanism that allowed the aging body to absorb and utilize them in a completely different, superior way. Even more astonishing, these potent seeds have been the quiet cornerstone of the diets of long-living communities scattered across the globe, from the serene islands of Okinawa to the rugged peaks of the Andes, and from the ancient villages of rural Turkey to the vibrant lands of West Africa. The elders in these remarkable societies consistently maintain exceptional grip strength, impeccable balance, brisk walking speed, and impressive leg power for decades longer than their average Western counterparts. Yet, despite their proven efficacy and historical wisdom, most people today have never even heard of these extraordinary seeds. This widespread ignorance is largely because major nutrition companies, driven by profit, have no financial incentive to promote them, as these natural wonders are difficult to patent and cannot command the high prices of engineered supplements. In today's groundbreaking video, we are going to meticulously rank the top 6 forgotten seeds that unequivocally outperform every modern protein source on Earth, specifically for the aging body. We'll journey from the mildest, yet still incredibly effective, to the absolute most powerful and transformative. It is absolutely crucial that you stay with us until the very end, because seed number 2 is backed by astounding research demonstrating its unique ability to activate a muscle-building pathway in seniors that even the most advanced modern science has been unable to replicate. All the reference materials and scientific studies mentioned today are meticulously included in the description below, empowering you to explore them at your own pace and satisfy your curiosity. Before we plunge into this remarkable revelation, we have a quick but important question for you. How old are you? Please share your answer in the comments below. We genuinely read every single comment and respond personally, as our mission is to help as many seniors as possible reclaim their strength and vitality. Now, let's embark on this journey, because the 6th seed on our list is something you've probably walked past in grocery stores for years without ever realizing its incredible potential to help rebuild the muscle you might have mistakenly believed was lost forever. Rediscovering nature's powerhouses, 6 seeds for optimal senior strength. Our journey into these incredible natural protein sources begins with a surprisingly common yet profoundly underestimated powerhouse, sunflower seeds. These unassuming kernels, often overlooked, deliver an impressive approximately 21 grams of protein per 100 grams serving, a nutritional density that already places them on par with many cuts of lean beef. However, what truly elevates sunflower seeds to an extraordinary status for anyone over the age of 75 is their unparalleled vitamin E content. A mere quarter cup serving provides over 80% of your entire daily vitamin E requirements. This is enormously significant because vitamin E acts as one of the most potent fat-soluble antioxidants known, directly safeguarding your delicate muscle cell membranes from the insidious damage caused by oxidative stress, a process that accelerates with age. This protective shield is absolutely vital for maintaining muscle integrity and function. Further emphasizing their importance, researchers at Tufts University conducted an extensive and illuminating analysis in 2022, revealing a clear correlation. Seniors with consistently higher vitamin E intake experienced significantly slower rates of sarcopenia. For those unfamiliar, sarcopenia is the clinical term for the progressive and debilitating age-related muscle loss that unfortunately impacts nearly 40% of adults over 80. The unique advantage of the protein found in sunflower seeds is that it comes naturally paired with healthy monounsaturated fats. This intelligent design actually enhances the absorption of vitamin E, creating a powerful synergistic effect that no isolated protein supplement can ever truly replicate, allowing your body to maximize every nutrient. Beyond this potent protein and vitamin E combination, sunflower seeds are also generously loaded with other crucial micronutrients such as selenium, magnesium, and phosphorus, each playing indispensable roles. Selenium actively supports healthy thyroid function, which is the master regulator of your metabolism and directly influences how efficiently your body processes and utilizes protein for muscle maintenance and repair. Magnesium content is instrumental in preventing the frustrating muscle cramps and spasms that many seniors experience, particularly during nighttime hours. Simultaneously, phosphorus works in perfect harmony with calcium to maintain robust bone density, providing the essential structural support that underpins your entire muscle tissue system, ensuring stability and strength as you age. Continuing our remarkable countdown, we arrive at number 5, sesame seeds. This tiny, unassuming seed has been revered in the ancient cultures of Asia and the Middle East for over 5,000 years, celebrated for its profound nutritional and medicinal properties. Yet, in much of the Western diet, it has, regrettably, been relegated to little more than a decorative sprinkle on a hamburger bun. While sesame seeds provide a respectable, approximately 18 grams of protein per 100 gram serving, their true superpower, particularly for seniors, lies in their extraordinary calcium content and a unique class of plant compounds known as lignans. These lignans have been scientifically shown to actively support a healthy hormone balance, a critical factor in aging bodies where hormonal shifts can significantly impact overall well-being and muscle maintenance. The profound impact of sesame seeds on bone health was dramatically highlighted in a comprehensive 2021 study published in the prestigious British Journal of Nutrition. This extensive research examined over 3,000 adults aged between 70 and 90 years old and yielded a remarkable finding. Those participants who regularly incorporated sesame seeds into their diet exhibited bone mineral density measurements typically observed in individuals a full 15 years younger. This powerful connection between consistent sesame seed consumption and robust bone health becomes especially critical when you consider that strong, healthy bones provide the indispensable foundation for muscle attachment and are absolutely essential for maintaining overall physical stability and preventing debilitating falls as we gracefully navigate the aging process. The protein in sesame seeds is also accompanied by an impressive array of B vitamins, most notably thiamine and vitamin B6. These particular B vitamins are absolutely essential for efficiently converting the ingested protein into actual usable energy, fueling your muscles and organs, and also play a crucial role in supporting healthy nerve function, which ensures your muscles respond precisely and appropriately to the intricate signals sent from your brain, maintaining coordination and agility. Furthermore, sesame seeds contain a unique and powerful antioxidant compound called sesamin. Extensive research has demonstrated that sesamin actively helps to significantly reduce inflammatory markers throughout the body, showing reductions of up to 35% in some rigorous clinical trials. This is incredibly important because chronic inflammation is recognized as one of the primary and most insidious drivers of accelerated muscle breakdown and weakness in older adults, making sesamin a vital weapon in the fight against age-related decline. The rich copper content found in sesame seeds also plays a crucial role in supporting collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of the connective tissues that powerfully bind your muscles to your bones, ensuring structural strength and flexibility. Simultaneously, the zinc content robustly supports immune function, protecting against illness, and facilitates critical protein synthesis at the cellular level, allowing for continuous repair and growth. Another remarkable, yet often overlooked benefit is that sesame seeds are a natural source of phytosterols. These beneficial plant compounds are known to help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and actively support optimal cardiovascular function, which is absolutely essential for efficiently delivering vital nutrients and oxygen to your hard-working muscle tissue, ensuring they remain nourished and perform optimally. To truly unlock the maximum nutritional benefit from sesame seeds, it is highly recommended to consume them in their whole, unhulled form. This ensures that all their precious nutrients are fully accessible to your digestive system. Tahini, which is simply a delicious and creamy paste made from finely ground sesame seeds, offers one of the most convenient and enjoyable delivery methods available. You can easily spread 2 generous tablespoons of tahini on whole grain toast as part of a nutritious breakfast, or blend it into your morning smoothies for an extra creamy texture and a powerful protein boost. Alternatively, you can create a simple yet incredibly flavorful dressing by mixing tahini with fresh lemon juice and a touch of minced garlic, then drizzling it generously over steamed vegetables and vibrant salads throughout your day, adding both flavor and nutrition. For an even broader spectrum of benefits, consider incorporating both white and black sesame seeds into your weekly rotation. Black sesame seeds, in particular, are known to contain even higher levels of potent antioxidants than their white counterparts, offering enhanced protection against cellular damage. The next seed on our list takes protein absorption and utilization to an entirely different, almost magical level, promising even more profound benefits for your aging body. At number 4 on our transformative list, we proudly present the mighty pumpkin seed.